Hey guys, welcome back to the video. You gotta watch the video today because at the end of the video I'm gonna let you know how you're gonna win cards and stickers and a t-shirt. So make sure you stay tuned. You don't miss the giveaway. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do some Redbubble unpacking. Okay, got a bunch of orders in here and I'm so excited because it's Christmas time and who doesn't like unpacking gifts? So let's do that. Grab a cup of coffee and come back. I'm back. I got my coffee. I hope you have yours. And let's have a little bit of a pre-Christmas time here. So I'm gonna leave the big one for last. I kind of peeked a little bit inside, not all the way, because I want to make sure it's the right stuff I got. So, drum roll please. Da, 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 da. It's a face mask. This one is for my husband, so you gotta be quiet. There you go. It's got a wire on the top. And of course I can't put it on my mouth because and it's kind of stretchy. Seems not very big, but I hope it's going to fit him. This is a design. You want to see the real picture? Kind of. This is the picture. I hope you can see it because I can't see what I'm doing. So that's kind of this. It's obviously not the same gray, but it's okay. Here's the mask. Now I have a whole bunch of little things in here. Got it? Yep. Okay, so you have this cute sticker. This is a small sticker, so they're huge. And you can make sticker packs with the little ones, and then you have like 4 or 5 little mini stickers which you can put on like planners or whatever. Stickers will go everywhere, right? I like this one because it's a Christmas tree toilet paper Christmas tree, toilet paper roll Christmas tree. Thought it was a lot of fun. Oh, I like the smell of stickers. And this one, another fun sticker. This is called, I don't know if you can read it, but it's 2020 sucked. Okay, or it's kind of being miserable. I like this one too. I have it on one of my mugs. Those are the stickers. And then, oh yeah, they always send you extra stickers, which is cool. Then we have cards. These are for my co-workers, because I'm also working, unfortunately. I wish I could do this full time, then I wouldn't have to worry about going to work during an epidemic. I mean, I like my co-workers, but I'd rather be home. I work at a school. What I like is they got environmental friendly, recycled, I think they are. Doesn't say it anywhere. I have to look on the description. I like that. And here's the same design. I think these are really cute. Came out really well. It's a nice print. Really like it. I mean, I have a whole bunch of these. So if you watch this video till the end, there will be a giveaway. So you can enter. I'll let you know at the end of the video exactly what you have to do. And you will get a couple of, maybe 3 things. I will send out to you. We got this and that. And let's see what this is. I don't know if they're all the same. I can't remember. Ordered this at the end of October or beginning of November. No, beginning of November. It was actually that long. It only took about a couple of weeks. Oh, it's the same ones. Okay. Okay. I do have more orders I want to do. See how fast they are before Christmas. Kind of testing them. Okay, that's this. So we got the stickers, we got the mask, we got the cards, and then we got stuff in here. You can see T-shirt saying 2020 sucked. Now, at the beginning, when I looked at it first, because I looked at this one, I didn't really like the print. I thought it was not a very good print, but it actually is, because when I look at other printed T-shirts, that's the same. Like the colors are just like this. It's because of the vinyl sticker stuff, because it's not printed on the fabric. It's on the vinyl. I can't remember. Is that screen print? No, I don't know what it is. These are the cheaper T-shirts. I think there's the ones that are more money. They might be different. I haven't ordered one yet because, you know, first I want to make some money with the business before I order stuff. Anyway, this one is for, this is a big one, extra large. This is for one of my sons. And I ordered, this is another one. This is a medium. This is a large. It's a large. This one, I was a little disappointed. This one does not come out very good. The color blue, it doesn't, I mean, it's not bad. The print itself is good. It's just the color came out a little blah compared to that, right? But maybe this is just how the computer does it. I don't know. This is mine. I'm gonna put this on around Christmas time at work. The last week. I think it's kind of cool, funny. It's big. I like it big. These are just your regular shirts. So again, maybe if you have a one that's the one, the fitted one, they might be a little better in prints. I mean, the print, it's good quality. Just the color came out weird. So many cat hair on there. Cat everywhere. And these ones are the same. There's another sticker on here. No, it's not a sticker, it's just a soft style. So this is not the same style as this one then. Heavy cotton, this is soft style. Oh yeah, so this is softer. This is the girl one. I mean, they look the same, they're just softer fabric. So these are for my kids and one lucky person that may or may not enter. If they don't enter, they don't win. Haha, funny, right? This is the medium. So they definitely run big. Even the medium is somewhat big. Again, it's not the fitted one. This is for my daughter, the medium. These might be fun to have on for like PJs or something. There you go. So I do like the prints. I definitely like them on here, and even this fabric print is really good. This is not wasn't a very high resolution picture because back then I didn't do good with adjusting I have this on there for 3 years now, so pretty impressed with that. Not as that one shirt, not too much, but definitely love the prints. So if you want to know how you can win some special giveaway from me from the Redbubble store, you need to first like this video, second subscribe, and third go on my Instagram, which is linked below, is also on my banner. If you can't find it down there, it's on my banner, the link to my Instagram. And send me a message on the instant messenger. Send me a message and just say YouTube Redbubble giveaway, and then you will be entered. Okay, so I'm gonna pick, you have from now till next Sunday And then next Sunday I will pick a winner on Instagram probably, because if I do it, yeah, I'll see. Can't do it on YouTube. Maybe I can. I could just do a short. Maybe I can do a short. Good idea. Okay, anyway, in one way or another, you find out on Sunday if you won or not. So make sure you like, subscribe. I hope you hit the bell so you can notify when there's other videos up. And then Sunday, you can find out if you won or not. Okay? So, see you then.